Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you which mode should you use, action mode or cinematic mode in your iPhone 17. So, quick difference at a glance about these two modes. Action mode, the main purpose of the action mode is stabilize the shaky movement. The main purpose of the cinematic mode is show the depth of field and blur the background. Action mode is best for sports, running and walking shots, but cinematic mode is best for people, storytelling and close-ups. Action mode has the wide ultra steady mode, and cinematic mode is movie style focus shifts. About the action mode, it has to be bright light, but as for the cinematic mode, it doesn't really matter. Works better in a good light, but it works everywhere. As for the resolution trade-off, action mode slightly crops your video and lower the resolution. As for the cinematic mode, it higher the resolution and less crop. As for the editing later, on the action mode is minimal, and as for the cinematic mode, you can change the focus later. So actually that's it. If you want to record a video that is just like running, biking, skating, sports games, walking, vlog style videos, filming when moving in a car, not driving of course, outdoor adventures, use action mode. When you want to record a video that will look like a movie, focus on depth and storytelling, people talking to the camera, interviews, short films, pets, portraits, close-ups, scenes where focus shifts matter. And that's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.